Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Google Analytics GA4 tracking code. Whether you're setting up analytics for a new website or updating your current configuration, having your GA4 tracking code is essential for capturing valuable data about your website visitors. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to analytics.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that has access to your Google Analytics property. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Analytics dashboard homepage. Look at the left-hand sidebar menu and locate the Admin tab at the very bottom of the navigation panel. Click on this tab to access your account administration settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your analytics setup. In the Admin section, look for the Data Streams option under the Property column. Click on Data Streams to view all the data streams associated with your property. Select the web data stream for which you need the tracking code. This would typically be your website. Once you've selected your web data stream, you'll see detailed information about that stream. Look for the measurement ID at the top of the page. This is your GA4 tracking code that starts with G- followed by a series of letters and numbers. You can click the copy button next to it to easily copy your tracking code. If you need the full JavaScript code snippet for manual installation, scroll down to find the Tagging Instructions section. Click on View Tagging Instructions and then select Install Manually to see the complete code snippet that you can copy and paste into your website's HTML. You can also access your tracking code by clicking on Configure Tag Settings and then selecting Show More to reveal all available code options. Remember to save any changes if you modify your tracking configuration.